Hey guys, so one of the first things that I need to have you do as part of the EMT program is you need to create an NREMT account. So NREMT is our national certifying body. You have to have an account with them, and then we have to create an application that actually identifies you as a student of our program. So we're going to start out, I just have it on Google, obviously. We're going to go to www.nremt.org. and it will bring up this page. So obviously I have my stuff stored, but what you're going to want to do is create an account. You have to put your social security number in, and we'll have to do that a couple of times. I have an account, obviously, so I can't put mine in, but that's what you would start out with, and then it'll ask you several other questions. So I'm going to go back to home. Once you have an account, you'll be able to sign in. And we'll go to candidate. Once we get all of that, you'll go to the candidate role and then go to My Applications, create an application. This is what's actually going to affiliate you with our program. So you're testing for emergency medical technician. It should have all of your information correct, and it should match your government issued ID. It'll ask you these criminal conviction, license, discipline disclosures. Hopefully you haven't had any of those, so you can click the last one. Then it'll ask you to verify that you have not had any felonies, misdemeanor, and you haven't been subject to UCMJ, which is military action. You have to have your CPR date in here, and CPR is required. We'll do that on your first lab day. So I'm just going to pick a date. Oh, this is a new question. So because there's a thing called provisional licensure right now, you guys will have completed or enrolled in a full program. So yes, when does it complete? You guys just need to put close to your testing date, preferably put your testing date on there, and it will continue to allow you to answer questions. I'm not going to continue on, but this is what will actually affiliate you with our program and allow us to say, yes, they've completed, yes, they are able to test. So I'm going to go ahead and discard my application at this point because I don't obviously need to create one, but you'll complete all the way through review and then submit. And that is all you have to do to get your NREMT account.